Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Now Experts Time channel. In this channel, we discussed various topics from ServiceNow modules like tips, tricks, best practices, standards, out-of-box solution, etc. When you have a time, you just explore. May that will help you for your business landscape. In today's session, we are continuing our process mining extension here. In the episode 1, what is process mining, how it is helping for your data auditing organization. So those are all the discussion happen in a theoretical manner. So I just implemented few items in my instance. I want to showcase that item and I am just connecting the dots from the session 1 and the session 2. So first, how you are going to enable that process mining is, go to your plugin. Here you just type a process mining. There is a plugin will be there, you just click and enable it. I have already installed it. This is step number 1. And step number 2 is as I mentioned it into the session 1, episode 1. So there are a various content pack available based on the modules. So this is a basic item, process mining, and after that you are implementing that module based information with the help of content pack. So ITSM oriented content pack is available, FSO oriented, CSM oriented, HRSD oriented. So which one is required for your problem statement, you just install it, that appropriate content pack. This content pack will help you where I just explained those information. So I think these are all the plugin you need to focus it. So once this plugin is installed, if you go to your your workspace, here you can see that informations like various informations like various workspaces. Specifically we are focusing into the process mining workspace. So here you just open this process mining workspace. So this workspace, it's having a number of items which was developed earlier. So here you are going to create the project. So in the deck I just mentioned that step 6 is this is a point I'm trying to highlight here: create a new project, create a project definition, etc. So these things you are going to define in this workspace page. So when you click this create new project, then what I just explained into the diagram, those things you are going to perform in this create new project. Next thing is here that content pack template. So here you can see the content pack template. What I have showcased there: ITSM oriented, CSM oriented, HRS2 oriented. Those things, you if you enable this item, then it will populate it here. So this content pack, it is available in your ServiceNow store. You just click and enable in your system. So that will help you. So mainly this will help for your rule based library. There is a two items we discussed in that session. One is a rule based and another one is automated one. So this is what I'm trying to explain in this info. So the rule based and automated one is derived uh, in this portion. So content pack template, this is automated one. If you enable this plugin, then by default it will come ready-made manner. Configuration one, this is a rule based one, you are creating based on your requirement. So few items I have created. This is a rule based item. So when you create this rule based item, this item, it is going to map in this project. That means in this project means where you are going to create the project, that area it is going to support you. So for example, this is a item I have created. Where it is going to support is, I'm just clicking an edit button in the existing one. So just give me a minute, it will load there. So there is a 4 steps are associated in that project. The fourth step, it is part of your uh, rule based or automated based mapping. So this one, set improvement. So if you click this, sorry, it is closed. I'll try to open it again. This is a old one. I close it. I'll open it that new one. Edit. Then it will go to that. So scroll down. Here there is an option called set improvement. So here the rule based and automated. This rule based and automated, it is derived based on this content pack templates. So this content pack template by ready-made, if you are taking a ready-made item, then yes. So content pack template, if you are taking a ready-made item, this ready-made item, it will join in this automated area. And the rule based one, you need to create a manual one. That manual one, what I'm talking here is, in this configuration what you are creating, those item it is going to tag in this part, in this rule based part. So there is an option called add from library. So you, if you click this button, it will support to map that appropriate item, rule based one and automate based one, and you can tag that item here. So which one you are requiring, just check and apply this project. So to complete this item, you need to check whether I need to create a custom one or can I use a ready-made one. So that is a major key point here. And one more major input I have highlighted, like a full scan, sample scan, like that. So I go one of the item here, I take this net session demo. So here you can see the mine project sample, mine project full. There are two options, you can see it. This sample and full, I have already explained in the earlier session. The sample one, it's a limited scanning or limited mining. The full one, it's an end-to-end mining. So it depends the license subscription. You can access this full mining. Otherwise, you can access only the sample mining. So this will help you to execute the result based on your configuration. So these are all the key points before kickstart that process mining area from your side. So if these points are very clear, then we can do a sample process mining for some particular business problem statement and you can see the result. I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, just let me know. Subscribe and stay tuned this channel to move further with respect to process mining oriented. So wait for episode 3 and we are going to create that new project and the mapping of the fields attributes and the execution, etc. Thanks for your time. Good day and goodbye.